My name is Chang. I am a professor at the university for the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering department.
Hi, I am John Pickrell, an industrial and systems engineering student, and I'm in my senior year.
I've been working with Tinker for many years, and this most recent project started in 2021. And this is a load router re-engineering project that we're working with them. They have many challenging engineering problems. They are maintaining, very old airplanes. They have parts out of date, manufacturing processes out of date, material out of date. By working with them, we are able to bring in technical challenging projects, and then have our students also have a chance to get involved.
So I got involved with CNC computer numerical control for the programming. The creative thought process of those operations and how they go together is where my role comes in. So I would program and help make sure those sequences are successful.
Usually in university, we are doing research. But on this project, we're willing to go extra miles. So we are saying, hey, we're willing to design a new jig, and we are even willing to manufacture new jig table. So that part, I think, myself and our team, I think we're very proud of it.
This project has definitely tested my understanding and limits, and it's been an honor.
I like to see people growing. I like to see people developing. I like to see students who are genuinely interested in engineering, and most importantly, become confident that they are able to solve, engineering problems in the future with this kind of experience. I think that is fulfillment.